Hi folks, it's Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and I'm going to be running a short series of videos to give you some basic skills of barbecuing and how to control heat and temperature and fire, so you have some top skills to improve your barbecuing. So fire is really a simple thing. It's made up of three parts. It's made up of fuel, air, and it's made up of heat. You need all three things to make a fire. By controlling these three things, you have opportunities to control your barbecue and to control your cooking. And once you master these things, then barbecuing becomes a really straightforward thing of just cooking. Okay, so the first thing in controlling your fire, I see that a barbecue is a bit like driving a car, and by the amount of fuel, charcoal, wood you have on a barbecue, this gives you opportunities to control the first level of heat. So this is your fuel tank on your car, and the amount of fuel you put in your car, in your fuel tank, gives you the length of your journey. So this is the first thing to think about. Are you in this for the long haul? Have you got a 14-hour cook ahead of you? Or are you just doing a bit of quick grilling and a very short cook? Do you need to use all of that fuel, or can you get away with using a smaller amount of fuel? The amount of air that gets to the fuel, this is your accelerator pedal in your car. So by opening the vents on the bottom of your barbecue, if you allow more air in, then the fuel will burn quicker and you'll get hotter temperatures to cook with, but your fuel will last less time. The vent on top of the barbecue, that acts as a car's brakes. So by shutting that, you can control the temperature by trapping exhaust gases into the barbecue. For me, this is not the preferred option. I prefer to drive my car with the accelerator pedal and not the brakes. But it's an opportunity there to add a little bit more control. So heat, that's your final option. Have you got enough heat? Have you just got a small piece of lit charcoal, or is the whole lot totally covered in white ash and is really hot? You only need a small amount of hot charcoal to have a hot temperature, and by using your lid, you then turn your barbecue into a smoky oven, but you really don't need much lit charcoal to do that for very high temperatures. Maybe a third of a chimney starter of charcoal is all you need. Okay, that's the first lesson. As always, I hope you enjoy what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and if you like this video and it's helped you, then please share it. Please comment below, like, and let me know you like what I'm doing. It's appreciated. Take care. Cheers.